Hey everyone, hope you are all doing well. This is Grace here, and I welcome you to Go for Glee. Today it's all about some room decoration and organization ideas. I think the two should go hand in hand always. How you want your home to look is up to you. For me, getting the outdoors in is important, and the easiest way to do that is getting plants in your home decor. This is a painting which I'm currently working on. It's work in progress. So when you're painting, then you're bound to have a lot of paints around and some more paints. And then, of course, when there are too many paints, things go out of hand. That's when organization comes into play. This beautiful organizer helps me to contain all these paints and acts as a dual combination of acts as home decor and organization. And I know it doesn't remain this way for too long. It goes to this only too quickly. This room is my creative space, but I do believe that with constant organization, you can really go from clutter to calm once again. Yeah. So just below this, there's another area where I have a whole lot of knickknacks, my paints and canvases and a whole lot of random things. It works okay at the moment, but then when I don't find the things in time, it kind of starts to bother me and I want it to look more organized than this. So I intend to do that with these cute baskets which I got off Amazon. This is how it looks. Much neater than what it was. The reason it works is, one, I got the right size of tray to fit in this place, and also because it eliminates the visual clutter, and I know just exactly where to find my things. It also is very functional, and functionality is very high on my list. So in room decoration or home decor and for organization, I think baskets are a lovely way to incorporate it in your room decor. Art, of course, will take your room decor to the next level, and it can always be used. But if you want another option in this space, if not art, then why not some pattern and texture? It acts as a lovely element of surprise. Pattern and texture has the ability to change the look of this. Is actually a rug which I have hung here, but it totally changes the vibe of the whole room. This is also a very pretty basket which I have used in multiple ways. And a cane basket can add the earthy element to your room. This is a storage box. It's a sweetmeat box, which I was more interested in the box. Actually, I ate up the sweets too. But it's a great storage solution, and it really ticks all the boxes for me. And my plants have grown and trailed longer since my balcony makeover video. If you have missed it, do check it out. I will leave it at the end of this video after you see this one. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do. If you like the content, please share, give it a like and comment. Well decorated place and an organized one can really make you happy, more creative and more productive. I will leave the links of whatever I can find in the description box, so do check it out. And I hope you liked the room decor and organization video. Until next time, wishing you happiness, good health and glee. Bye.